Welcome to the Setting Intention for Weight Loss Guided Meditation. Welcome to a new opportunity as you make yourself comfortable in a seated position for today's meditation. Acknowledge that this is an opportunity to connect to love, truth, meaning, and power. What are your heart's passion and your soul's purpose? Make yourself comfortable now. Allow your eyes to flutter shut. Soften your shoulders. Relax and start to let go. For the next few moments, I want you to steady your heart and settle into your higher self's wisdom. Push all the air out of your lungs and take a deep breath in through your nose to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale through your mouth to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. When you begin your next inhale, I want you to envision your breath as a healing light. It is warm and bright, and as you inhale, you can feel it spreading throughout your body, flowing freely. Even the parts of your body that feel tight start to feel better. Push all of the air out of your lungs and take a deep breath in through your nose to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale through your mouth to the count of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Repeat after me. I value self-control. I have the bravery to change the things that haven't served me in the past. I choose my food with intention. When I resist temptation, I take a step forward in my journey. I am healthy, I am fit, and I am overwhelmed with energy. There is nothing easier than maintaining my ideal weight. Let go of the things that no longer serve you so you can make more space for the healing light. Continue deep breathing. Allow your breath to slip into its natural rhythm, softening your shoulders, face, and jaw. Now it's time to set your weight loss intention. Draw a deep breath. Feel it moving through your heart center, and your exhale feels the same. Tap into your inner wisdom and ask what intention for weight loss you need to hold today. Your intention is what will allow you to connect powerfully, love fully, and live gracefully. What do you need to know? Allow the answer to settle in as you exhale. Continue hearing the truth and listen to your heart igniting your wisdom and intuition. What do you want to achieve? Do you want inner peace about your weight loss journey? Do you want confidence to make the right decisions? Happiness about being healthy? Whatever your intention, be sure you phrase it in a positive way. If you choose, I want to stop eating unhealthy food, you can change it to, I want to eat healthy food. You can turn that intention into a mantra by phrasing it in the present moment. I am eating healthy food. Some people find their intentions are more powerful when they take a moment to write them down. Not only is it a good way to solidify it in your mind, but you can look at it throughout the day as a reminder when you're struggling. Now, select one thing you would say or do when you achieve your goal. Would losing weight make you feel more confident speaking publicly? Or would you feel better when trying on clothes? Visualize yourself doing the thing you selected. Create a visualization so detailed you can feel yourself living that moment out in your imagination. Focusing on the visualization you have created and enjoy the way it feels. It's freeing, isn't it? Recite your mantra now and pair it with the visualization you created. Visualize your weight loss success. Recite your mantra and allow your thoughts to be overwhelmed with positivity about achieving your weight loss goals. There will be challenges, but you are more than capable of handling them. Invite positive thoughts and sit with this for several moments. Repeat after me. I intend to lose weight and keep it off. I intend to be healthy. My body craves healthy food. Unhealthy foods no longer appeal to me. I choose nourishment and healing. I am disciplined. I intend to lose weight and keep it off. I intend to make better choices for my body. I intend to support myself on my weight loss journey. I intend to lose weight and keep it off. My intention is set. It is my commitment to myself. As we reach the end of the meditation, I want you to feel the weight of your body. It's grounding you, holding you in your seat right where you should be. Trust the answers you found, because seeking within yourself is the only way to walk a journey of intention. Start moving your hands and feet and allow your breath to deepen as you feel the space around you and the ground beneath you. Take this moment to show gratitude for this opportunity of self-care and stillness. Thank your mind, heart, and body. Thank you for joining me for today's meditation, and remember that you can return to it at any time. Everything you need to set an intention and achieve your weight loss goals is within you.